What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. Get your Pump Chaser subs at TigerFitness.com. Alright, get your creatine, your Cuts FTS, all that shit. Pump and grind. Get everything and get 30. So guys, letting you know before the recipe video starts, this Friday, July 28th, 3:30 p.m. Central, get your About That Life hoodies, 3 colors. Get your Ho Ready stringers, and get your Ho Ready Legend tees, the high cutoff tees, guys. You don't want to miss out. It's been a while since I've dropped anything. You don't want to miss out. Set your alarm clocks, set your calendars for Friday, July 28th, 3:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you guys so much for your support. And here is the recipe video. Guys, if you want to see some more recipes, be sure to comment below and let Denise know. She's gonna be reading the comments, guys. You know, I can tell her, hey, cook something for my people, but it would mean much more. It would add much more weight to my words if you comment below and help your brother out, alright? So anyway, here's the video, and thank you guys so much for your support. What's man? YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. And you know we got Denise?
Hey guys.
Tell them what we're doing here.
Okay, so we are back with another recipe for you guys. So this is going to be a low-fat, high-protein meal. So it can fit in your macros, and if you're not counting macros, this is just a really good recipe to try out. So this is our first time, so we're going to be, you know, enjoying this as well. We have some things gathered here today. So we have chicken breast, we have some garlic, Parmesan, cottage cheese, we have bell pepper, we have our seasonings, we have garlic powder, black pepper, parsley, sea salt, a little bit of chicken pollo, and some crushed pepper flakes, and onion powder. And then we also have 2% milk and some protein penne pasta. So, all right guys, let's get started.
Let's get it.
Now, I know you guys are probably looking like, dang girl, you season the heck out of this chicken. You have to. It's one of the most driest parts of the chicken. And I'm going to use avocado oil to cook my chicken. Twirl it around. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna come back to it, see if it has a little char, like a little brownness on the chicken. If it doesn't, I'm gonna leave it on for another minute or two till I get that nice, good golden brown on the first half of the chicken. So while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and finish making up this sauce. And here we have Daisy low-fat cottage cheese. We need 1.5 cups. We're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then we're gonna do a tablespoon of Black Your Mama Cajun. So then we have to add a 1/2 cup of milk. And we're using reduced milk.
That got a nice taste. I'm surprised because it got the cottage cheese up in there.
Ooh.
That got a nice taste.
Wow.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes!
That is actually pretty good.
Yes!
We're trying, guys. So the chicken has been on one side for about 4 or 5 minutes. So now we're gonna flip it. This is what I'm talking about. You see that nice char? That's what I'm talking about. Then I'm gonna flip this big one. Ooh, Lord, yes. This is how I want my chicken. Just like this. All right, and so we're gonna keep this on here for about 4 to 5 minutes and come back to it, okay? All right, guys, so our chicken is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. See all this goodness in here?
Yes!
We're gonna keep it, because we're gonna add our peppers.
Put the salt and veggies up in there, huh?
Yes.
Oh, damn. Woo! That smells good, too.
So we're gonna keep all that goodness in there because we're gonna get this all sauteed. And once we get these all sauteed and softened, then we're gonna add our cheese mix. So we'll give it about 5 to 10 minutes. The peppers are softened up. Now we're gonna turn down our fire a little bit. We're gonna put it on low. So now we're gonna add the cheese sauce.
The whole thing?
Heck yeah.
Okay. Crazy thing about this sauce is macro friendly, guys.
Yeah, get it all mixed in. Now I'm not gonna add my seasonings until after my noodles and stuff are already in here. And the reason for that is because I don't want to over season my food. Getting a little bit of warm.
Damn!
I have my cooked noodles.
1 serving, 10 grams of protein, 38 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna add my noodles, not all of it. I'm only gonna add a little bit because I like my pasta like with a lot of sauce. This right here looks perfect. That's enough sauce for me. Now, if you guys don't like your pasta saucy like this, but more noodle, add more noodle. If you guys like your pasta saucy, add
I want that sauce every bite.
Yes. So now I'm gonna get my fork. Let me try this because now I'm about to add the seasoning if it needs any. Oh yeah.
Come on now, don't leave me hanging.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby daddy. I don't think it needs any seasoning. And I'm not even capping.
Woo! Creamy!
That is good.
The flavor is attacking my taste buds.
That is really good.
You did it!
I was gonna add some
flavor.
red crushed peppers, but since Brooke is gonna be eating this too, I'm not gonna add it to here. So I'm gonna add it to my dish on its own. So while that's cooking a little bit, it's on a low heat. Like I said, I'm gonna chop up this chicken.
And guys, if you want more protein,
You can
do
add
more chicken.
Yep.
So we're just gonna do 3 breasts and half a box of noodles.
Now we're gonna jazz it up a little bit.
Oh, don't do them like that.
A little bit of Parmesan, or a little bit of.
Don't do them like that. Guys, don't get jealous. You can make your own. And it's easy to make, as you see, very
It's
simple.
very easy.
I can't wait. Make sure if you don't like a lot of spice, cut back on this. Or maybe not use it at all, because let me tell you, this got a little kick to it. Oh yeah. Guys, you will not be disappointed.
Not disappointed. This is actually really good, and I'm super picky. This is really good for high protein, low fat, macro friendly Cajun pasta.
And best of all, you can find these ingredients at Walmart.
Yep.
Easy to find.
Yep.
Well, anyway, guys, that's the video. Don't forget these shirts are coming soon to beastmode316.com. Get 30 of them bitches minimum. 30. Don't forget to like my shit.
Comment and subscribe.
And holler back at your boy.
Peace.
Moment of silence! We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights!